Alright guys, well today I'm gonna be working on a daily and my clutch pedal keeps cracking, so I'll put a picture up, but this is the second pedal that I've gotten and it keeps cracking due to the clutch that I have. It's a stage 3 and the clutch is pretty hard, and the material that the pedal is made out of is super thin, so that's why it keeps cracking. I went ahead and I ordered a bracket off a company I found. I'll put the link in the description in case you guys are interested, but I'm gonna just go ahead, take this pedal off, get it welded again. This is gonna be the last time that I get it welded because I don't want to just keep buying a bunch of pedals. So I have welded it before. I'm gonna weld it one more time. I ordered the bracket already, so I just gotta wait for that in the mail, and that's pretty much it. But first I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the update on the hatch. Alright, so quick little update on the hatch. Alright, well, as you guys saw in the previous video, I just got it off the dyno. It made 235, so not bad for all motor. But I do have two questions for you guys. Question number one, do you guys want to see some videos of me doing some pulls and burnouts and all that? But the only concern I have is I'm on steelies, so it's just going to be spinning first and second. I'm pretty sure it's not going to spin third, but still. That's why I haven't made any videos on me getting some pulls in, some runs. So that's my main concern and reason why I haven't been uploading any videos on that topic. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see some videos, even though it's on steelies, but it's just going to be hitting limiter. So yeah, that's question number one. Question number two is, if you guys saw these wheels in the background, they're 14s and they're steelies as well. What was I doing? Oh, the this part. What can I put on there so I can like close that, because like it's opening? But let me know in the comments as well. And that's pretty much it. As of right now, I'm just saving up so I can send the car out and get a roll cage and paint it as well. But I'm gonna get the roll cage and all the fab work done. I'm gonna get a weight plate and a few other things, but for now it's just sitting here. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me take the hatch out on steelies, because honestly I feel like there's no point on taking the hatch out on steelies, because one, if I, oh my god, phone's overheated. Alright, well, my phone overheated, but I'm not gonna bore you guys by showing you how to take that off. It's just like 3 bolts and 2 plugs, I think, and it comes right out. So I'm gonna just go ahead, get my tools, and I know all that's dirty. I haven't vacuumed it in a while, but that's not the point. Point is, yeah, I'm gonna just get my tools out of the trunk, take that off, and I'll pick up the camera once I'm done, because it is 105, and if I just leave my phone recording, it's gonna overheat again. So I'll update you guys in a little bit.
Should I run one line through here?
Fuck it.
Should I?
Do it. Alright, well, I got it all welded up. Doesn't look pretty, but it's gonna work. I'll just go ahead and put it back on, and we were gonna TIG weld it. Well, he was gonna TIG weld it, but the TIG welder was not working, so he had to do it by stick. And yeah, so I'm gonna just put the pedal back on and wait for the bracket to get here, and then once the bracket gets here, I'll go ahead and put that on. Alright guys, well, finally came in. I've been waiting all day to get that. Also went ahead and just spray painted this just so it doesn't get all rusty, because it was getting a little bit rusted. I don't know how. Alright, so I don't know how well you guys can see this, but I'll put the link in the description. Alright, well, there you go. Just a, oh damn, that looks nice. Alright, well, I'm gonna just go ahead, put this on. Pretty sure there's nothing to it. Alright, if you guys can see some of the shitty welds, don't judge, but essentially this part just goes on like so. And well, that's basically it. That's basically it. So yeah, nothing to it. Well, I'm gonna just go ahead, put this in the car, and I'll tell you guys if I feel something different or if it feels the same. And don't mind this, I could just get some brake cleaner and it'll come right off. Yep, I'll update you guys right now on how it feels. Hey guys, well, I finally got it on, and it's a little bit sideways, but let me tell you guys why. So in the beginning of the video, I did tell you guys this pedal has been welded many times, and essentially this is the bracket excuse how dirty it is, but this is the bracket, and instead of it sitting flush, it was sitting sideways, and that's because it was sitting on top of some welds. So had to retake it off, get the grinder and grind the welds down, and then it was sitting flush after that. But it is still laying on a little part of a weld that the grinder couldn't get to, so that's why it's still a little bit sideways, but it's way better than what it was. But let's go ahead and test it out. So it feels way sturdier, but it feels the same. I want to focus. Well, it's not focusing, you guys, but it feels the same. But that little bracket helps so the pedal doesn't flex, and it does feel way sturdier. So it's doing its job. But that's pretty much it for this video. So give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.